Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Philly cheesesteak garlic bread, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, thinly slice half a red bell pepper and half a green bell pepper. Then thinly slice half an onion. Next, finely chop some parsley. When you're finished, set your ingredients to the side until you're ready to use them. Now we're going to make some chimichurri, which will go on top of the garlic bread. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a half a cup of finely chopped parsley. Then whisk everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set the chimichurri to the side. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add your sliced onions and bell peppers. Sauté the peppers and onions until they are nice and tender. When you're finished sautéing your veggies, take them out of the pan and set them to the side. Next, add a bit more olive oil in the pan, and then add 14 ounces of beef shaved steak. Once placed in the pan, break the steak up. Then season the steak with seasoned salt, pepper, and Kinder's Sweet Heat seasoning. You guys have to try this seasoning, it is so good. I'll have it linked in the description. Then continue to cook the steak until it has browned and completely cooked through. Once you finish cooking the steak, add your peppers and onions back into the pan. Next, turn off the heat and set the steak to the side. Now we're going to move on and prepare the garlic bread. First, we're going to make some garlic butter. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and a half a tablespoon of finely chopped parsley. Then mix everything together until well combined. Then mix in a half a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. Once you finish making your garlic butter, set it to the side. Next, place a loaf of French bread on a cutting board and then cut it in half. Then cut the French bread in half lengthwise. Set the other half of the bread to the side for now. Next, remove a bit of the bread from the center of the loaf. Now spread the garlic butter you prepared before evenly over the bread. Next, add the steak on top. Now add 4 slices of provolone cheese on top of the steak. When you're finished, repeat this process with the other half of French bread. Next, place your garlic bread on a baking sheet lined with tinfoil. Then place the garlic bread in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Once they have finished baking in the oven, cut them into slices. After slicing the garlic bread, place it on a plate. Then add the chimichurri on top. And that's it, you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This Philly cheesesteak garlic bread was absolutely delicious. I loved it. The meat was well seasoned and the bread was crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The chimichurri tasted great on top as well. Definitely a must try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!